Hello and welcome to BoloSign. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Slack with BoloSign, enabling you and your team to get instant updates directly in your Slack. Let's quickly get started. Just go to Settings option, click on the Integration tab, scroll down, scroll down and you'll see the option of Slack integration. Just click on Install. Once you click on Install, for Slack from the BoloSign integration tab, you land on a screen like this. This is where you allow BoloSign to integrate with Slack workspace, but it is important to read this screen carefully and switch to the right workspace. At the top right of the Slack app directory page, you'll see a drop down showing your current Slack workspaces. Click this drop down and switch to the correct workspace, the one where your team wants to receive BoloSign notification. Please keep a note that each user must integrate BoloSign with your Slack account and choose the correct workspace individually. Now, once you have switched to the correct workspace, now we'll see all the list of permissions that Slack lists the permission to BoloSign needs to function. What will BoloSign will do? It views your identity, example Slack name, profile name, content, view messages, and content in direct messages to BoloSign is added to. This lets BoloSign push relevant updates into channels or DM. Content, view people in your workspace so BoloSign can send targeted notifications. Now we'll see what BoloSign will be able to do. It send message as @BoloSign, post document status update, sends, open, sign, start direct messages with team members, manage public channels that BoloSign is part of, add a slash command like BoloSign manage and send a document through to get direct notifications. Once you have switched to the correct workspace and have seen what BoloSign will able to view and will be able to do, now just hit the allow button. Then it will directly integrate your Slack with BoloSign. As you can see that under the integration tab, the Slack has been connected to your BoloSign account. Now let's see the Slack channel. Open your Slack channel and from here just choose the correct workspace. And once you have chosen the correct workspace, under the app section, you'll see the BoloSign notification tab. You should now see BoloSign listed under the app section. You'll get a welcome message from the BoloSign bot. This message includes quick commands and a link to send documents. Here you can see the BoloSign command and a quick link to send document. If you want, you can just type slash @BoloSign manage, and if you'll just send this, you'll see and list of notification as per your preferences. And if you'll click on send document, it triggers the document sending flow directly from your Slack channel. Once your document has been opened by the desired recipient, you'll get the direct notification and an option to open document directly from your Slack. And once it has been signed by all parties, you'll get the relevant notification as per when it is signed by all parties. And if you want to see the in detail information about that document, you can visit our dashboard or visit BoloSign dashboard directly from your Slack channel. If you want to choose what alerts you get, type @BoloSign slash BoloSign manage and just send it. You'll get a pop-up where you'll get the toggle options to document you have received, document you have sent, and the chat message. Just check or uncheck based on your preferences and just click on save. For now, I am just checking all the notifications which are to be added in the settings. I'll just click on save. In this way, you can choose the notification preferences. You will get all the notification status of your document. And if you want, you can send the document directly, and you can also mm, chat with the team members you have added to your workspace. This is how you can integrate your Slack channel with BoloSign and get in notification instantly. Thank you.